In case y'all don't know, my name is Rachel, and this is like my first hair tutorial video. So what I'm going to be covering in this video is a week's length of what I do to my hair. So I probably won't take a video every single day, but I will keep you updated throughout the week on what I do to my hair and just how I take care of it and all that. So I'm excited that you all are here to watch this. So if you'd like, please subscribe to my channel and we'll get on to this video. Today I'm going to wash my hair because it's been a week since I washed it. So I'm going to do a hair mask before I wash my hair and let it sit in my hair for about an hour. Okay, so I'll show you what I put into my hair mask. I use a mixture of coconut oil, apple cider vinegar, and tea tree oil. And I use the coconut oil because it's super hydrating on your hair and it makes it really soft and smooth. And the ACV helps to level the pH balance like on your scalp and in your hair. The tea tree oil helps to soothe a dry and itchy scalp, which is kind of what I have right now as it's getting way drier from fall and winter coming. So keep watching to see what's next. I have my mixture here in this little bottle. One more tip, you'll probably want to use some kind of old shirt or something that you don't mind getting oil on. Okay, so I'm just gonna start putting this in my hair. I'm gonna try to soak my whole entire head all the way down to the very ends, especially on the ends. Let this sit in my hair for at least an hour. I think some people do it overnight, but it's the afternoon right now and I don't want to wear it the rest of the day plus all night. So I'm just going to leave it on for an hour, and that still makes my hair super nice afterwards. So I'd say at least an hour. Okay, so I just washed my hair and I'm going to show you how I style it naturally, I guess you'd call it. So I just use a towel basically and flip my head upside down and kind of scrunch up on it, I guess, and dry it like that for a little bit to where it's kind of not so sopping wet. One of my first tips is if you have wavy or curly hair, you might already know this tip, but in case you don't ever comb your hair after you have washed it and conditioned it, because if you comb it or brush it or anything, it separates all those hairs and that's one of the things that makes your hair frizzy. So don't ever comb it. If you want to comb your hair, do it before you wash it and condition it, and then just leave it, because you want the hairs to be like clumped together, I guess you'd say. You want them clumped together and stuck together so that it will make very nice, smooth, unfrizzy waves or curls. Kind of see now it's already kind of getting a little bit wavier than it would if I would just let it hang down and dry. A lot of times I'll use some kind of curl cream when I do my hair like this, but I didn't want to put any products in it because I feel like I've been putting too many products in my hair lately, so I just wanted to leave everything out. So I'll come back when my hair is dry. I came outside because it's too dark in the house now, but this is my hair with it. It's pretty much all dry. I did end up putting a little bit of leave-in conditioner in it. And anyways, it is very smooth and soft and shiny. So this is day 2, and what I'll do almost every day is I use some kind of oil. This is jojoba oil, I think that's how you say it. I usually like that argan oil, or however you say that, but this is what I have for now. So anyways, I take some of this. I don't get too much, just a couple drops. You don't want too much or it'll make your hair really greasy. And I kind of rub it together in my hands, and I go through my hair and just kind of put some of it in. And I'll get some like on the pads of my fingers, because that's the main part that I kind of run through my hair. And I just do this all over my hair until it's pretty much all dried up off my hand. And this just gives it a little bit of moisture and makes it shiny for the day. So Sunday, and last night, which was Saturday, the 4th day since washing my hair, I took a shower, and all I did was rinse it. No shampoo. It's just, it got wet and I rinsed it, and then I conditioned it and washed that all out. So yeah, there was no washing with shampoo. It was just like a rinse, I guess you'd call it. So yeah, I just rinsed it. And then I put some leave-in conditioner in it, and I went to sleep and let it air dry while I was sleeping. And this is what it looks like this morning. So these are all natural waves. So I actually like my hair after I have rinsed it way more than after I have washed it, because when I wash it, I think you kind of know how your hair feels after you wash it. It gets like, it's like really smooth and slippery, and you can't do a whole lot with it. So like now it's got like a little bit of the natural oils in it and stuff, so it's like it has way more texture and it's way more easy to style. It's a little bit more fluffy in a non-frizzy kind of way. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but what I do if I'm going to have a photo shoot and I want my hair curled, I'll wash my hair in the morning, and then it gets blow dried, and I use a whole bunch of products. The method that I use to curl my hair, I will put a link for it down below this video in the description box. It's a tutorial by the Freckled Fox. So if I don't curl my hair, I leave it natural like this, and I'm gonna put some oil in my hair again like I did the other time. So if I ever have a day where I feel like my hair is just not the way I want it to be, or it's flat or something like that, then I'll just kind of wear it in braids or a bun or whatever. So today is the 9th day since I have washed my hair with shampoo. Like I showed you before, I did rinse it midweek, and that's all I've done to my hair. I don't think I would have been able to go this long if I would have used products in my hair like hairspray or mousse or any of that kind of stuff, because that really weighs it down and makes it greasier in my opinion. But I've had like no products in my hair, and I've gone this long, 9 days I said, without washing my hair, and I honestly feel like I could go a few more days. But I want to do the hair mask on my hair again, so I'm going to go ahead and be washing it today. So I know going this long without washing your hair is not going to work for everybody, because I know some people tend to have oilier hair than mine. So yeah, I know it's not going to work for everybody, but I have one opinion about hair that I wanted to share on here, and maybe it will help some of you and maybe it won't, I don't know. I don't know where I even got this idea from, but if you wash your hair like every day, all the time, or even like every other day, that could result in oily hair, or you thinking that your hair is naturally greasy or whatever, when that might not be true for some people. So the reason why I'm saying that is, if you are constantly washing your hair all the time, that is washing the natural oils out of your hair the natural oils that your head and scalp produces to hydrate your hair. So if you're always washing those out, your head or your scalp, whatever it is gonna go into overtime. It's gonna work super hard to reproduce that natural oil in your hair, and that could be what results in people having greasy and oily hair a lot of times. Thank you for watching this video. I do appreciate it, and if you would like to see more videos from me, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And also, if there are other videos that you would like me to make, then I would love it if you would put a comment on this video or send me a message or whatever on what you would like to see next. So thank you for watching, and I hope you all have a great rest of the